Toss-up 1. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following ocean currents does not flow from higher latitudes toward the equator? W. The California Current. X. The Peru Current. Y. The Brazil Current. Z. The Benguela Current. Answer. Y. The Brazil Current. Bonus 1. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following events occurred in the late Mississippian? W. Breakup of Rodinia. X. Collision of Gondwana with Laurasia. Y. Collision of Laurentia with Baltica. Z. Breakup of Pangaea. Answer. X. Collision of Gondwana with Laurasia. Toss-up 2. Math, short answer. What are the x-coordinates of the intersections of the graphs of the equations y equals 9x squared plus 3 and y equals minus 27x plus 3? Answer, 0 and minus 3. Bonus 2. Math, short answer. What is the cube of the complex number 3 plus 5i? Answer, minus 198 plus 10i. Toss-up 3. Chemistry, multiple choice. A student wishes to convert an aldehyde to a secondary alcohol. Which of the following reagents would be most useful? W. Alkyl Grignard reagent. X. Lithium aluminum hydride. Y. Sodium borohydride. Z. Sodium hydride. Answer. W. Alkyl Grignard reagent. Bonus 3. Chemistry, short answer. Andrew synthesizes a compound that consists of a benzene ring with an alcohol group in the 1 position and a primary amine in the 4 position. Identify all of the following 3 names that unambiguously represent the structure of this compound. 1. P-aminophenol, 2. 4-aminophenol, 3. 4-hydroxyamylin. Answer. All. Toss-up 4. Physics, multiple choice. Planck resolved the ultraviolet catastrophe for black bodies by postulating the quantization of photon energies to derive an expression showing that the modal energies obey which of the following statistical distributions? W. Fermi-Dirac. X. Maxwell-Boltzmann. Y. Bose-Einstein. Z. Gaussian. Answer. Y. Bose-Einstein. Bonus 4. Physics, short answer. A spinning dancer draws her arms inwards until she rotates at 3 times her original velocity. In terms of her original kinetic energy E, how much energy did this maneuver require? Answer 2E. Toss-up 5. Biology, short answer. Identify all of the following four phyla that exhibit radial symmetry. 1. Porifera, 2. Cnidaria, 3. Mollusca, 4. Echinodermata. Answer 2, 4. Bonus 5. Biology, short answer. In humans, circadian rhythms are controlled by a specific group of neurons in the hypothalamus called what? Answer SCN. Toss-up 6. Energy, multiple choice. Scientists at Lawrence Berkeley National Lab recently captured images of a Type 1a supernova in a galaxy 4 billion light-years away that appeared 50 times brighter than normal and in 4 different places in the sky. Which of the following did the scientists discover? W. A Type 1a supernova with a progenitor that was 20-50 times more massive than normal. X. An anomalous Type 2 supernova with a light curve resembling Type Ia. Y. A light echo of a Type 1a supernova. Z. A Type 1a supernova whose image was strongly gravitationally lensed. Answer Z. A Type 1a supernova whose image was strongly gravitationally lensed. Bonus 6. Energy, multiple choice. One of the most promising Generation 4 nuclear reactor designs involves the use of supercritical water as the coolant. What is the main reason to use supercritical water? W. It has a higher neutron absorption cross-section. X. It has a lower neutron absorption cross-section. Y. It is fissile. Z. It allows for a higher thermal efficiency. Answer Z. It allows for a higher thermal efficiency. Toss-up 7. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following drainage patterns would likely be visible on jointed, rocky terrain? W. Dendritic. X. Trellis. Y. Radial. Z. Rectangular. Answer Z. Rectangular. Bonus 7. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 latitudes that trade winds can be found in. 1. Between 60 and 30 degrees south. 2. Between 30 degrees south and the equator. 3. Between the equator and 30 degrees north. Answer 2 and 3. Toss-up 8. Biology, multiple choice. A patient is demonstrating loss in bone density. Which of the following hormones would be most useful in treating this symptom? W. Parathyroid hormone. X. Vasopressin. Y. Calcitonin. Z. Mineralocorticoid. Answer. Y. Calcitonin. Bonus 8. Biology, short answer. Identify all of the following three statements that are true of nitrogenous waste excretion. 1. Ammonia excretion results in more water loss than an equivalent amount of urea excretion. 2. Urea is more energetically expensive to excrete than an equivalent amount of uric acid. 3. Humans produce a small amount of uric acid. Answer. All. Toss-up 9. Energy, multiple choice. DOE scientists are using the Advanced Light Source to study atmospheric re-entry heat shields, including pica, the type currently used by NASA and SpaceX. Which of the following best describes pica? W. A silicone-based heating pad. X. A highly thermally conductive epoxy. Y. A carbon fiber that slowly ablates. Z. Titanium shingles with heat sinks. Answer. Y. A carbon fiber that slowly ablates. Bonus 9. Energy, multiple choice. Scientists at SLAC recently demonstrated that coating the gold tip of an electron gun with nanodiamonds resulted in a higher electron flux through the gun. This is because the diamonds changed what property of the electron gun tip? W. Conductance. X. Electron density. Y. Voltage. Z. Work function. Answer. Z. Work function. Toss-up 10. Math, short answer. What is the product of the three different prime factors of 315? Answer, 105. Bonus 10. Math, short answer. What is the approximation for the sine of 2 that results from using the first three non-zero terms of the Taylor series for sine x centered at 0? Answer, 14/15. Toss-up 11. Physics, short answer. In terms of the elementary charge E, what is the electric charge of an up quark? Answer. Positive, 2/3, E. Bonus 11. Physics, short answer. An excess charge is distributed over the surface of a solid metal sphere that has a radius of 1 meter. Identify all of the following three distances from the center of the sphere at which the electrical potential relative to infinity is maximized. 1. 50 centimeters, 2. 100 centimeters, 3. 150 centimeters. Answer, 1 and 2. Toss-up 12. Chemistry, multiple choice. The precipitation reaction caused by the addition of potassium chloride to aqueous silver nitrate is an example of which of the following types of reactions? W. Metathesis. X. Decomposition. Y. Synthesis. Z. Redox. Answer. W. Metathesis. Bonus 12. Chemistry, multiple choice. Copper 2 hydroxide is insoluble in water. However, upon the addition of excess ammonia, it dissolves and changes to a deep blue color. Which of the following statements best explains this observation? W. The rise in pH solubilized the copper hydroxide. X. The drop in pH solubilized the copper hydroxide. Y. The copper reacted with ammonia, forming a soluble species. Z. The ammonia neutralized the hydroxide, releasing soluble copper. 2. Answer. Y. The copper reacted with ammonia, forming a soluble species. Toss-up 13. Biology, short answer. The 5' cap added to mRNA is a modified version of what nucleotide base? Answer. Guanine. Bonus 13. Biology, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 statements that are true regarding a neuron at rest. 1. Voltage-gated sodium channels are mostly open. 2. Voltage-gated potassium channels are mostly open. 3. The sodium-potassium pump is hydrolyzing ATP. Answer 3. Toss-up 14. Physics, short answer. When looking at it through a plane mirror, a flagpole appears to be 10 centimeters tall. Given that the eye to mirror distance is 0.4 meters and the total eye to mirror to pole distance is 30 meters, what is the actual height, in meters, of the flagpole? Answer 7.5. Bonus 14. Physics, short answer. A cannon fires several cannonballs at the same initial speed but at several different angles, the furthest landing 100 meters away. What is the slowest possible speed, in meters per second into the nearest 10, at which these cannonballs could have been fired? Answer 30. Toss-up 15. Energy, multiple choice. Lithium-ion batteries are generally built in the discharged state, then recharged after construction. Which of the following best explains why this is done? W. The materials in the discharged state can be exposed to the atmosphere safely. X. In the charged state, the raw materials pose a risk of dendrite formation. Y. Lithium dendrites cannot form in the discharged state. Z. Lithiated manganese materials are particularly unstable in the presence of humidity. Answer. W. The materials in the discharged state can be exposed to the atmosphere safely. Bonus 15. Energy, short answer. Scientists at Pacific Northwest National Lab are studying how the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, is changing over time. Identify all of the following three statements that are true concerning their findings. 1. El Niño is accompanied by increased likelihood of rainfall over California. 2. The intensity of ENSO events will likely increase due to climate change. 3. The variability in yearly rainfall will likely increase globally due to ENSO events. Answer: all. Toss-up, 16. Chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following substances is more soluble in toluene than in water? W. Carbon tetrachloride. X. Sodium chloride. Y. Acetic acid. Z. Sodium methoxide. Answer: W. Carbon tetrachloride. Bonus, 16. Chemistry, multiple choice. A physical chemist has determined the vapor pressure of a liquid at multiple temperatures and wants to determine the standard entropy of vaporization. Which of the following sets of axes will enable the chemist to graph the data as a line and determine the entropy from the y-intercept? W. Pressure on y, temperature on x. X. 1 over pressure on y, temperature on x. Y. Natural log of pressure on y, temperature on x. Z. Natural log of pressure on y, 1 over temperature on x. Answer: Z. Natural log of pressure on y, 1 over temperature on x. Toss-up, 17. Math, short answer. What is the integral with respect to x from 9 to 64 of the derivative of the square root of x? Answer: 5. Bonus, 17. Math, short answer. The graph of the polar equation r equals 6 cosine theta is a circle. What are its radius and Cartesian coordinate center, respectively? Answer: radius 3, center 3, 0. Toss-up, 18. Earth and space, multiple choice. A soil sample is extracted from a soil monolith in a temperate forest environment. The sample contains a relatively high concentration of sand and silt as well as leached minerals. What soil horizon does the sample represent? W. A. X. B. Y. C. Z. E. Answer: Z. E. Bonus, 18. Earth and space, short answer. What is the name for a location on Earth that does not have tides? Answer: amphidromic point. Toss-up, 19. Physics, short answer. What quantity, inversely related to compressibility, measures a material's ability to resist pressures coming from all sides, such as when underwater? Answer: bulk modulus. Bonus, 19. Physics, short answer. Identify all of the following three quantities that are dimensionless. 1. Tensile stress. 2. Tensile strain. 3. Young's modulus. Answer, 2. Toss-up, 20. Math, short answer. How many terms does the binomial expansion of open parenthesis 8x cubed plus 5y squared close parenthesis to 18th power contain? Answer, 19. Bonus, 20. Math, short answer. What are the coordinates of the image of the point, -1, 4, when it is rotated about the point, 3, 2, by 90 degrees counterclockwise? Answer, 1, -2. Toss-up, 21. Biology, short answer. What is the name of the jelly-like fluid that fills the human eye? Answer, vitreous humor. Bonus, 21. Biology, short answer. Identify all of the following three vitamins that are considered fat-soluble. 1. Biotin, 2. Cobalamin, 3. Niacin. Answer, none. Toss-up, 22. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following three statements that are true regarding the denticity of ligands. 1. Bromine is a monodentate ligand. 2. Diethylenetriamine is a bidentate ligand. 3. EDTA is a quadradentate ligand. Answer, 1. Bonus, 22. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following three molecules that have the chemical formula CHO. 1. Acetone. 2. Butanone. 3. Butyraldehyde. 4-8. Answer, 2 and 3. Toss-up, 23. Earth and space, short answer. What spectral class of stars possesses the strongest Balmer lines? Answer, A. Bonus, 23. Earth and space, short answer. When a muon is created in a laboratory setting, it has a lifetime of approximately 2.2 microseconds. When muons are created by cosmic rays, they have speeds of 99.5% of the speed of light relative to observers on Earth. For an observer on Earth, how long, to two significant figures and in microseconds, will the lifetime of the cosmic ray muon be? Answer, 22.